how frequent do we need to do that practice to review our current policies, and why is it important?
For different agents have different ways of doing their policy review with their client. For myself, right, every year I will at least go and tell my client a brief one. Hey, do you remember what you have? You have this. This is like when we do car servicing, we have minor service. And when it comes to major service, whereby this person has something changes in her life, like graduations, promotions, marriage, those are the major service that we need to do. So when it comes to major service, we will need to really sit down and do a policy review. Now your status has changed, so what we should cover and things like that. So for me is every year I will do a minor service. Then when it comes to life change, I will do a major service. So what about you, Steph?
Like for me, okay, first I have to see my client. So for my current client, some of them they are totally okay to see me 4 times a year one. But some of them they only can commit 2 times a year. And some of them they do 2 times a year, but maybe 1 time meet up, then the other time is like a video call thing. So if you ask me to take a middle number of it, I would recommend at least see your agent once a year to update everything. And by the time that you have some certain life changes, just give a text to your agent to inform him, because some of the policy might need to do some changes. So if you ask me why you need to inform your agent when you have some life changes, 3 things. First, because you may have redundant policy already, because your life changed already, so you may not need that certain particular coverage that you need previously before the changes. Second, then you might have new protection gap. So assume that your previous planning already cover for all the protection gap you have. And last but not least, maybe your risk profile is different already. So this is especially when it comes to changes of job. So you may do class 1 job, and then after that you change your job and perhaps it became class 2. So once you inform your insurance agent, then they will be able to help you to change it into your policy, and then maybe the premium could be different. But some people ask me already, hey, like that, I don't want to tell better, right? I want to save my money,
No.
Upon claim, how?
Yeah.
So pay more a bit, but you confirm you can claim. So when it comes to all this, right, we strongly recommend to make a changes.
We also meet our client like some promotion is ongoing, GIO, because sometimes, right, client may forget to inform us. So when it comes to promotion like GIO, all these things, right, we have to see our client and inform them. Apart from like minor service, like in between, we will do all this as well to meet the client to understand more.
So if you want a list of what are the things that you need to inform your agents other than our regular meetup, right, whenever you have some changes, these are the 6 things. So write it down. First, change of job. Second, new birth or new adoption of children. Third, marriage or divorce. Fourth, home purchases. Fifth, change in financial situation. Last, changes in contact information. You change your phone number, you change your address, or you change your email address. All these 6 things, please tell your agent, so you save a lot of trouble in the future.